Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the lunation chart of the 6th October 2021 at 16:35 hours. There is a conjunction, as I've already talked before, that the solar ingress of Virgo is most enigmatic because the sign Gemini is rising and Moon, Jupiter and Saturn are in the 8th house, and Jupiter becomes the first class Marak. And I had also mentioned that as per declination, all those countries or individuals who have dual signs are prone to enigmatic period and venomous period. Now, I just found whatever is happening in Lakhimpur. I opened the chart of UP and I found it was of Sagittarius Lagna and the 84th year running. So Jupiter comes into play, Jupiter and Rahu comes into play, and Jupiter is debilitated. So obviously whatever is happening in UP is crystal clear, and then Rahu forming a Angarak Yog along with Moon in the 12th house in the sign Scorpio, and over the natal Mars, Ketu has reached degree wise. So obviously 12th house and that Angarak Yoga is being activated, Ketu on Rahu, Rahu on Ketu at exact degrees of Mars, and Mars transiting in the 10th house with Mercury and Sun, and they are activated in the chart degree wise. Just see my article. It is opening crystal clear. Whatever parameters I have laid down, they are proving spot on for declination, for debilitation of Jupiter, and if Rahu Ketu come over Rahu Ketu, or Ketu comes over Rahu and Rahu comes over Ketu, is the most enigmatic time frame. So we will be discussing this, and they are most volatile situations. Now, China faced power issues. Why China faced power issue? Because Jupiter and Saturn, they are the two planets which nothing can happen in this world till Jupiter and Saturn activate a particular sign or a particular planet. Jupiter and Saturn have activated the Mars in the sign Capricorn, where it is debilitated, and obviously when a planet is debilitated, it may be in Neech Bhang Raj Yoga or whatever it is, it first gives troubles. So China is facing troubles on account of power crisis. No, similarly, India would also face problems for power. There will be power crisis very soon because there was no mining till coronavirus was there. There was no mining and there was no production of coal, and 70% of the energy power is dependent upon the 70% coal. And Saturn is retrograde and it is becoming stationary on the 11th, and Mars, Mercury, Sun are degree wise. They are degree wise conjunct. There is planetary war, and also Mars is totally combusted. So Mars is energy. So we are liable to face power issues and political turmoils and violence. You can see for yourself whatever. I had also predicted the farmers' agitation will take a ugly shape, and it is already taking an ugly shape. Now when Mars reaches Scorpio after the 21st December, after the 5th December to 16th January, is anybody's guess what will happen in UP. So friends, and the other thing is that the stock and financial markets, they surge beyond expectations when planets are in retrogression. You see, as I told you, I give the actual prediction just a day before because lot of astrologers copy paste. And when planets are retrograde, they are liable to take the markets to new highs. So friends, and 11th, Saturn is becoming direct, and 18th, Jupiter and Mercury are becoming direct. So whatever major changes have to take place, they will only take place after the 11th. Even before the 11th, because Saturn becomes stationary before becoming direct, and then around the 18th of October. And this lunation chart is till the 20th of October, and everything is connected to the Trik Bhavas and mainly the 8th house. So where is the question of anything positive going on? Whether it is coronavirus, whether it is political turmoil, political tug of war, natural and unnatural calamities, earthquakes, violence, terrorism, all are on the cards. And these 4 planets are in the sign Virgo, the 6th house of the natural zodiac. It is most venomous, friends. So be careful in investment. You could be misled. There could be no major cracks in the stock and financial markets, because I have already predicted that the major parameters are missing. But Jupiter, the mad elephant, and Mercury, people are only saying they are retrograde and it is in own sign. But friends, they are forgetting it's also fallen. Mercury is also fallen. And you have experienced 7.5 hours of breakdown of Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. All this was because of Mercury fallen on the 2nd of October. So, and Mercury can take the markets in any direction because it is fallen, retrograde, and also having aspect of fallen Jupiter, retrograde Jupiter and debilitated Jupiter. So it's a vicious circle. The markets may mislead the people, but no major corrections are seen. That I can tell you. Even today, I have not seen the market, but I can tell you the markets may touch even new high beyond expectations. As I said, that Jupiter is a mad elephant. It can take the markets to any direction, and then all of a sudden it will come down. There will be corrections. So corrections are definitely on the cards, but after there is rise and surge in the stock and financial markets. Yes, dates after 6th are critical, especially the 7th, and US market will be affected on the 8th, and then 9th, 10th, 11th are most enigmatic, and then 18th to 20th, and then 22nd. And then I've already said, then when planets become direct. In fact, what a retrograde planet is, it is just like two people sitting on a table finalizing their deals, and the deal has been done and it's gone. But in retrogression, the planet comes back and tries to reevaluate the things. So it's all reevaluation, and the results will be given when the planets become direct. How will the market behave will only be seen after the planets become direct, and that is after the 11th of October and after the 18th of October. So friends, be very careful. I've already said be very careful. Those people have to be very careful who have dual signs, and India is governed by Virgo and Capricorn both, and it has Taurus Lagna. So it is not very good for India as in totality, but the worst will be for US because the sign is governed by Gemini, and Russia has Virgo Lagna. Japan has Sagittarius Lagna. So friends, it's a most enigmatic and a venomous fortnight from 6th evening till 20th of October 2021. So many people were saying, giving some comments, but I said, let me clarify everything. And in the morning around 5 o'clock or 4:30, I wrote almost about 10 hours back, I had written on the YouTube, I had given a comment that don't be misled. The markets will definitely, they can even surge today. Till the 11th they can surge, but then all of a sudden after the 8th, 9th or 10th there could be changes, but the major changes will only be after the 11th and when the planets become direct. The retrograde planets tend to give a bullish behavior and direct planets tend to give a stable and a bearish behavior. Not really bearish, but definitely the market may not surge as when the planets are in retrogression. So friends, and then there are some typical planetary positions when those are formed by the major planets like Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu. Then there is major correction, and that will only happen, as I've already mentioned, from January to April 2022. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to share that all my predictions, whether it is concerning the drugs, Venus is going very close to Ketu. So, and because of the power shortage, there are bound to be restrictions in the eating joints, in the pubs. All this will be also controlled because Venus is also getting afflicted degree wise by Ketu. So friends, Venus is all this, and there will be restriction. Again, there will be restriction. It may not be because of coronavirus, but it can now be because of power. The power crisis, and it may continue for 6 months, but at the same time the minings have started working, so slowly and slowly there will be ease also. But friends, July 2022 will be worst. We will talk about it later on when the time comes. But as far as this fortnight is concerned, I can tell you the markets may touch new high, but after touching the new high, when the planets become direct, then they will give the real results. And the countries are printing the currencies, the inflation will go up. When the inflation goes up, it is bound to break. And the theory of economy is when the markets are going up very fast unexpectedly, they will fall also unexpectedly. And whatever duration it goes up, say for example from 3rd of August, the market has been rising. So from 3rd of August to, let us say, till 3rd of or 2nd of November, if the market rises, so whatever the period is, then after that the market can also correct for as many days. So this is a cycle. So this, friends, be very careful in investments. And I am not, read my disclaimer clause, I am not responsible for anybody making any loss because of my predictions. If anybody will be doing it, he will be doing it on his own record, on his own accord and whims and fancies. In no way I shall be responsible for the same. This is only an astrological analysis and it can also go wrong. So that is all, friends. I just wanted to share that this fortnight starting from today evening is most enigmatic and venomous. So be very careful how the market behaves. It will be more surprising, and more and more people will be trapped in this because most of the people are now investing in the stock markets. There is no uprise in the real estate, gold, etc. Gold also will not increase till the time Mercury is in Virgo. It's very simple and in a friendly sign in Libra. Till it goes in Scorpio, gold will not rise. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to share that the planetary positions are taking the complete world for a rough ride. It is not only for India, it is for the complete world. These planetary combinations are parallel to Lehman Brothers. At that point of time also these three planets were conjunct, but there were other planetary positions which could indicate a crash. Here there is no crash, but a similar situations from the from the 9th, 10th and 11th. So let us see what happens. And for this, thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.